I'm going to start reviewing with the British. I'm going to start with Jamestown. Now, if they asked you pre-Jamestown questions, you can't like want to fight me. I'm telling you, they may do that, right? They may do that, but we can only review so much. And Mr. Whelan did a wonderful job last year of teaching you all about that sort of thing. If you want to review it, great. But we are going to start with Jamestown 1607 when we come back next Tuesday and plow ahead with that. Right?
Let's do it.
Your enthusiasm is intoxicating. Now, does anybody have any questions about anything relating to this book or studying for the test or what we're going to do with the review? Anybody? Yeah. Parliamentary guy has a question. He's very enthusiastic. Remember Emily? Remember you guys? Yes. Good.
Are the questions?
But he doesn't have any girl friends. They're just acquaintances.
Are the questions like really like deep, or they like mostly like memorization?
Yeah. I mean, his question was, are these questions like memorization?
Because like the questions on your test are like pretty deep. Like I don't know.
Yeah,
if
they are. What we saw at the midterm is the same thing. Now you're going to get an AP test the day before we take this test. I think the big difference is there are always 5 responses, always 5 possible answers. And sometimes they're kind of close. But sometimes they're totally out of the time frame. You know, I mean, sometimes you can eliminate some of the questions by saying, well, I know that didn't happen in the same time frame that this is asked. I mean, they're broader. You know, they're not all specific questions. But most of the books, these review books, have pretty good examples of those types of questions. All right, other questions the kids have, other things. If you have no other questions, then if you want to help yourself to those books, you may. If you didn't get that book, you may. It's about 12 after now. We said it would be about a quarter after.
Ooh, it's good estimate.